Hi, I'm Peter and I've come in for my vaccination today, my booster jab, and I think it's important to have it. Everybody should. Yeah. The queuing's been very good. I didn't have to queue very long at all. No problem with the whole process. It's very easy. The jab, you don't feel the jab. It's very smooth and easy, the whole system.
Hello, my name's Gary Brooking and I'm one of the clinical managers down here at the Mass Vaccination Centre at Home Park in Plymouth. Being able to book an appointment online would always be preferred because it allows us to be able to plan our services in order to be able to manage the experience of those coming through the system here. However, we are open for walk-ins and we'd always welcome people to walk in for their boosters or for their remaining first or second jabs. Booster vaccines are 6 months after their second dose of their primary course. So we can work that out a little bit more technically at 182 days, but if we aim for 26 weeks, 6 months after the second jab, then we'd be happy to see you down here for your booster vaccine. And we're more than happy to welcome people down here for a walk-in. So it does present some challenges when it comes to being able to plan services, so that may well lead to people who do turn up for walk-ins experiencing a short queue on a day depending on demand. And obviously, as we're heading into this period of the year, that might well mean that there would be a possibility of a short queue outside. So we would ask people that are turning up for walk-in appointments to plan accordingly, to bring a brolly and plenty of warm clothing in order to be able to keep themselves comfortable whilst they might have to wait for a short while outside to be able to access our services. Now, to be able to keep people on time for their booked appointments, at times we may well have to separate out a queue for walk-ins from those with booked appointments, but to move people through the system effectively. But we'd be happy to see people down here and to be able to keep them safe throughout this experience.